Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back. I'm here with a small haul from Altenew, and look at this gorgeous bag. I can't flip it over because my address label thing is on there. And I have two items I got off Amazon. Now these are from December purchases. In fact, it was ordered, this one on December 30th. And the Amazon one was ordered on December 31st, but it's only two items. And I do have some purchases coming from HSN, which I don't usually shop at, but they're coming, I think, on the 6th or 7th and the 10th. And I think it's the whole order, but I'm not sure because their shipping stuff is kind of wacky. Anyway, um, and I can't find my order in their online site, even though I signed in. It's just bizarre. So anyway, let me share with you what I got from Altenew. I got some more purple tape. It was on sale. Satin masking tape, 50 meters, which I don't know. It's low tack. Because my um, Post-it note tape, I'm on the last one, and I love this for holding down my dies and stuff because it does not tear the paper at all. I hope this doesn't either, because I've had some purple tape from like the hardware stores or whatever, painter's tape, and it still tore the paper. This looks different though. So I'll give it a try because it was cheaper to get this than two rolls of this in a pack off Amazon. I couldn't believe how expensive this was. It does last a long time though. So I'm going to try this once this is all gone. So that's that. And then I got a few things, bundles and stuff. Hang on. Oh, my stamp is falling. Everything's falling down. I have to clean my desk off again. Oh my gosh. This stamp, let me put it over here. Okay. Everything out. And I'll try to tell you what I paid, but I don't know if the prices will be the same because, yeah. So I got this tiny little, it's called snowing stamp, because I didn't think I needed to use that as snow, but I thought that would be great for mixed media backgrounds on little pieces of paper or on larger collages or whatever. I just thought it would be a good stamp for texture. Let me turn this light down because it looks too bright to me. Yeah, let me turn it off actually. I think that'll be better, right? Maybe. If I put this one on, then you get the glare. Yeah, all right, let me put this on low. Maybe that'll work. Sorry. Okay, yeah, snowing it's called. So I got that. That was $6.99 actually. That one might not have been on sale. This next one though was on sale, and it's just called Rosy Posy. It's just a cute little floral stamp and a hello, which I like that. I mean, you could just stamp it with like Versamark and emboss it, and wouldn't that be beautiful on a colored cardstock, which looks like what they did here maybe. Or stamp in white on a colored background or something. I think it would be really pretty. So, yeah, as long as I don't get too carried away and make it a mess, which I do sometimes. Okay, it says what they used here. Pure white crisp embossing powder. So they did emboss it, embossing ink and real gray cardstock. Yeah. So you could do it on real gray, you could do it on black, would be pretty too. Or any like darker shade of a cardstock. I think that would be great. Or a lighter shade and use gold or silver or some other color embossing powder, right? Which I have lots of. So those two, that was $2.80 on sale. Then I got this one, another little one, but it's called Journal Flowers Outline Stamp Set. And here's the sample they show using it on a card, but I thought it would be good to put on like a, what do you call them? Journaling card, right? And stamp it on the front. Oh, it goes this way. The little sash comes at the bottom. And so you would know it's a journaling card, right? Not that we need that, but there's also some little hearts, a hi, a PS, a dear, and I can't, dear A? A? I don't know what that says. I don't know what that little thing says right there. It looks like an A. It might just be a comma or a dot. I'm not for sure. And then a heart and two little heart outlines. This one's a solid, and then this floral. Um, this is a 2022. Uh, trying to see. Hmm, I don't know. Anyway, I thought that was cute for journaling or mixed media, junk journals and stuff like that. And that was more. That was actually $9.49. Oh, because it was a bundle. I also got the dies to cut it out. Not that that wouldn't be fairly easy to fussy cut, but I don't like fussy cutting. Now, the only thing I'm not sure of is, let's open this because I think that floral is not a separate stamp. I think it's part of this. So if it is, then, and if I don't want the flower on there, I'll have to mask it. Yeah, it's part of the same stamp. So if you don't want the flower, you'd have to mask that. The hearts, though, are separate, see? But this is actually attached to the journal, which I think it said on the website, and I just figured I could mask it off if I didn't want that to be on there. We'll see how that works. But I like flowers, so it's okay too. So yeah, that's that one. I'll struggle with that later. And then I got the satin masking tape. That was $6. Actually, but I think you get more. I don't know. Anyway, it just seemed like a good deal. And then I got one more thing, and this was Wildflower Garden Complete Bundle. This is an older set, 2018, but it was on like really discounted for $24 for all of this. And I checked to make sure I didn't have this. Well, I checked in certain place I have Altenew stuff, and I did not, although it looked familiar, but I seem to remember wanting it before and not getting it because I have some Stampin' Up! Wildflower sets. But for $24 for the stamp and the dies and all those stamps and dies, I couldn't pass it up. So it does wildflower stamps and dies. And it has "You Are in My Prayers" and "With Deepest Sympathy." And that's it. But you don't have to use those sentiments. You can use it for anything. And I thought this would be good for cards as well as, mixed media or something. So, and they have, oh, they actually give you the layering guide. I think, if I remember correctly, these background papers used to open up like a guide. No, this one doesn't. It's just the cardboard. But it does show you a 50% actual size that plus that equals that. So you know how to make the flowers the way they're shown on here. So that's what you call two-step and three-step stamping. 1, 2 equals that. 1, 2 equals that. Two-step. And this one is, yeah, they're all it's two steps. So not that hard, hopefully, because I'm not that good at two-step. And that is it. I did have a $10 discount coupon from having bought a lot early in 2024. I still had a coupon left, so it was pretty good, and shipping was not much. It was like 5 something, and I have Pennsylvania state tax, so yeah, that's my little haul from Altenew. And then from, plus I got that beautiful bag. Oh, and they also give you a, um, a coloring thing. And if you color it and share it on social media, you can be entered to win a $30 Altenew gift certificate every month that you enter. So, Craft Your Life with Altenew. This is from Build a Garden Dear Dahlia's stamp set, and I don't I don't think I have that. I might, but I love dahlias. Thus, my jewelry company is Dahlia Designs. So, Dahlia Designs Jewelry and more on my other YouTube channel. But it says color it and share your work on social media, hashtag Altenew and hashtag Altenew Coloring for a chance to be featured on our blog and social media. Don't forget to share a photo of your Happy Mail with hashtag Altenew Happy Mail too. So I'll put hashtag Happy Mail in this video, and so they can see what Happy Mail I got and that I'm sharing it with all of you. I like Altenew quality. The quality is wonderful. Okay, now Amazon, I just got two things. I have been wanting splatter brushes, and I know you can just flick, but these came in a pack. Let me see if I have the price here. Hang on. Oops. These were Prosecco 6-piece artist fan paintbrush. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep. Okay. Professional acrylic paint brushes with nylon hair. DIY craft long wood handle, which I didn't really need. They're not too long. I was hoping they weren't. They're really long, like for oil painting. Acrylic water oil painting, rock painting. They were $5.89. And if you're interested, I can give you the link. But I've seen others use some that like they look more frayed even. I'll probably just use like a smaller one, or they're different sizes. So, and I got that specifically to do splatter. Now, I just have to remember that I have them when I do that kind of thing. So I got those. And then the last thing I got, and I saw somebody else get it and I just wanted to try them because I have Sharpie, the, what do you call these things? Hang on, I'll get one. I have these permanent marker fine point. I don't really color with them much, but I guess I should because I've seen other people do it. And also, I'm keeping the Amazon packaging too, because you know what this is good for? Junk journal covers. And this one's not too big, but I have like 4 or 5 here now in different sizes. And so, yeah, I have enough journal cover materials for starting points. But anyway, Paint Effect No Bleed. These are Sharpie Creative markers. Pops on light and dark surfaces. Brush tip, which I like. And let's see, do they have the colors written on here? No, but you can see them. Black, I don't know if that's, I guess that's gray, not silver. Okay, these are water-based acrylic markers, so they are acrylic, but they're smaller than one of the other sets I have. I do like the Sharpie brand. So anyway, black, gray, white, pink, purple, blue, sort of a teal, a lighter blue or regular blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. So all the colors you need, unless you're, I don't think you really shade with acrylic, right? I don't know. I'm not an artist. I do like that it says pops on light and dark surfaces, so we'll test that. Not in this video, but we will test that. And yeah, I think they'll be fun. Boldly marks on paper, metal, wood, ceramic, glass, rock, and canvas. Water resistant and fade resistant. No bleed through on paper. I may actually try that on like a mandala or something then. For best results, shake before use and store markers horizontally. Most markers say that. Yeah. Colors layer without blending. No priming needed, but it has an asterisk. For best results, shake before use. Okay, so you don't have to push them up and down. And there's a code here to scan to see them in action if you so choose. And the store I got these from was Amazon.com services. And the store I got the brushes from was called Modang SH. They came actually in separate packages, and I think I already have the other one stashed in with my stuff, the same kind of packaging. So yeah, that's my little haul, and I'll be back probably at the end of the week once I get all the HSN things for that haul, and then that will be my last haul from 2024. And I'm not doing a no buy, I'm doing a low buy because in 2 days, on the 7th, Stampin' Up's mini catalog goes live and celebration and new online exclusives. I have a small list for that. And then aside from that, and I budgeted also a same amount for their annual catalog, which comes out in April or May or something. But I'm cutting way back, and you'll see. My wish list doesn't have many stamps and dies. It has mostly paper and embellishments, but you'll see when I get them. Um, in a couple weeks probably. And and then for other crafty stuff locally, I said this before in my one of my planning videos, I'm budgeting $50 a month, which I'm going to pull out as cash, put it in an envelope, and try and only use that much or less, and then carry that forward. And the next month I'll put 50 in. So if there's anything big I want, I'll have enough cash, or I can put it back in my checking if I'm buying something online to pay for it. So yeah, that's my plan. I'm going to try and stick to the $50 a month, except for the 2 or 3 Stampin' Up! Purchases I budgeted this year because I don't need anything. I really don't need anything. I just want some things sometimes, like these. You know. So anyway, I hope you have a wonderful new year. I hope your New Year's has started off great, and I will talk to you again very soon. Hugs, love, and peace, everyone.